Hey you guys, it's Anastasia, and right before I went to bed tonight, I wrote a song. It's called Untitled. For those of you who are struggling with a bad breakup or just need some clarity, this song is for you. I hope you like it, and if you do, share it and get it out to people. I'll see you tomorrow.
I held on for other reasons, just to never see it get any better. Whose fault? I thought, I guess we wished upon the